So we are at Hobby Lobby trying to get inspiration for my wall. So let's see if I'll find stuff to change the wall. Hi! Wow, look at these fun mesh bags. Look at that. Come in all those colors. You can find bags everywhere. What are these?
What are what? Ooh, what are those?
Wow. These are like fanny packs. Which one should I get?
The blue one.
Some really cute things today at Hobby Lobby.
Okay, Mom, put the flowers down. Step away from the flowers.
They're not even on sale. They're my favorite flower. Okay, we'll come back with them. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So today's video is a little fun shop along with me to my Hobby Lobby visit. This is my process. I like to go there and see all the new decor pieces and get inspired, pick up a couple of things here and there so I can work on my wall. Thank you to everyone who has commented and enjoyed watching all my green videos. I so appreciate everyone who joined in. I think green is a universal loved color, so I did enjoy watching all the other ladies showing their green pieces. That was really fun. Thank you to all the ladies who tagged me, and I was able to share your videos with my audience. So of course it's the end of the month. I don't know when this video is going to load, but I think it will load before April because I have to do my chit chat video for you guys, and that's why I actually went today out with my son. He's in the videos with me, as you saw, and I was trying to find like new pieces, some inspiration on changing the wall. So it's gonna be for April, and of course April is Easter month, and I don't know if I want to do like one color like I did the green. I think it's spring and April is Easter and all the spring colors, the flowers. So I think we're going to go a little colorful.
We're going to go with the pastels. We're going to go with
some pastels. Yeah, the kids here voted on the yellows, the purples, pinks. So I'm going to try to see what I could come up with the bags itself. Of course I have many bags. The bags is not the problem. Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby, oh. Okay, so after our Hobby Lobby haul, this is all the stuff I got that I'm going to use for the wall, hopefully. So thank you to everyone who watched. It's just going to be a quick little video for you guys. Obviously, all this stuff you can't see, but
we got a lot of fun stuff, yeah.
So you could close up, and then we're gonna use all this stuff mainly for the wall. And thank you guys for watching along. This was fun. Visit to Hobby Lobby. Bye.